Hey, Vincent.
Another one.
What you doing?
There, baby. There.
Ah, you're helping Grandma with the water?
Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby.
You're helping Grandma? Yeah. Nice. What? Yeah, come here. Come here. I think that's the first time you actually wore that, no?
Let's go. His arm. Slow down.
Yeah, if you ever visit Alona Beach in Panglao, gotta check out Max Cow. It's right on the way to the beach, on the main street, heading downhill. Why is he holding his hands like that? Huh? Someone saying hello over there. Did you hear that? Lots of water. Okay, well, yeah, he just invited himself in. I guess he can... Yeah, let him stay there, I guess. Okay. So what are we getting wood for, by the way? Forgot to include that.
We get wood for tuna.
Fresh yellowfin tuna, yeah?
Yes.
And we're gonna basically grill on fire, huh? Uh-oh. I don't see any bundles of wood.
May kaway pa kayo?
All sold out, huh? Yeah. How about those few pieces there? Can we buy a couple pieces? No? Actually, we do have some wood at the house. I forgot some of the stuff left over from the pork lechin.
Isn't it wet?
No, because I put it underneath the roof several days ago.
Are you sure?
There's one way to know, yeah?
Okay.
Don't have an option here, so. All sold out, huh?
By the way, they don't know the word all sold out. You should say
Out of stock.
No, they
Oh.
don't know that.
Then what is it?
Say no more.
Ah, no more. Okay.
Wala na. You say wala na.
Wala na, yeah.
That's the easy way to say.
Hmm?
It's the easiest way to say.
Hmm.
Careful here.
Yeah, I'll go on this side. We can get him with this. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Vincent, you want to go help Daddy make a fire? Yeah? Ah, see? That's a cell.
He's make a fire, baby.
Help Daddy make a fire? Yeah.
Daddy.
I thought that one would work.
Hold Daddy for
Done? Yeah. So another friend of ours who works at the market in Carmen. She works at the toy, right?
baby's waiting.
Okay, let's go.
Fire.
Is that better?
It's better.
Oh yeah?
Because this one is hitting my other
Oh yeah,
wound.
for sure.
It's kind of hurting, so I don't wanna open it up again.
Yeah, that's for sure. What are we gonna do, baby?
Make a fire.
You got it.
Fire.
And what's mommy gonna do with the fire?
Cooking.
Ooh,
Oh my. Oh my. Yes,
oh my
baby.
gosh, you're so
Smart.
Make a fire cooking.
Holy smokes.
Tricky part.
It's the tricky part. Why? Slimy? Slippery? Yeah, well, be careful. Stay on the left.
They're like small rocks that sharp,
Ah, yeah.
but it's okay.
But this one here on the left is the best. The middle's the slippery. Logically, because tires don't drive in the center.
Copyright.
Yeah, I don't know if it's too clear yet, but we'll find out.
Ano, sa may ulo na natin doon.
Good job. There you go. Okay, get back for a bit. Let's let it sit for a bit. Ugh. Cats will like that, huh?
Mm-hmm. They love it.
Baho?
Nakabaho ko dyan eh.
What does baho? Smell bad?
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Tagalog, yeah.
Sorry.
I remember Tagalog, but Tagalog, not Tagalog. Careful, baby, please.
What?
Ano yun? Auntie, yung kinukuha mo.
Can't get it.
Ano yun ate?
Well, after it's cooked, you can, right?
Ma, nung nasa tubig ba
Oh,
tayo,
your mom knows how, yeah?
Nung nasa tubig ba tayo, tinanggalan mo to ng hasang.
Whoops. Try one more. Don't throw it, baby. Just put it down gently. And there you go. Good job. Just like that. Yep. There you go. Good job. One more? Yeah, we could do one more. There you go. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Do one more. That's good. Okay, last one. Okay, that'll be good for now. Yeah, you gotta watch out. There you go. Good job. Very good, baby. Good job, Vincent. Good job, Vincent. Ah, you're learning, huh? Yeah, but you gotta be careful, but good job. Good job, Vincent. You wanna try again? Just don't breathe the smoke. Okay, get back, back. Yeah, see? You don't wanna breathe the smoke. So you just blow. Careful, don't breathe that smoke, baby. Good job. Okay. When you see the smoke come back, you have to move back, okay, Vincent? Yeah? All right. There you go. Good job. Okay. Okay, watch out for the smoke. Nice. Yeah, watch out. Love those lights. Feels like a resort with those lights there, yeah, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, see? Watch out. Okay. Okay, that's enough, baby. Good. You did a good job. Vincent, it's all good. You got it. Now we just sit and wait, okay? He has something to show you, Mommy. Not in the house. Barbecued yellowfin tuna. Barbecued?
No, real.
Grilled yellowfin tuna. And then what kind of sauce is this? I know I love it. It's what, soy sauce?
With calamansi and
Onion.
and
Tomato?
garlic.
I thought I saw tomato there. Okay. And then,
Mommy, ice.
what is this? The Japanese, what's it
Mommy,
called?
what's that ice?
Seaweeds.
Yeah, I know, but seaweeds. Yeah, but it has like sesame seed and it's really good. Love it. Yum, yum. Huh, baby? You like it? Mm-hmm.